Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a video because I recently got the Real Aurora glow kit from ABH, and I bought mine secondhand. But I wanted to swatch it with a fake here and do a comparison. So I did both brush and finger swatches, and I'll play those side by side for you right here.
Turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about the differences. So here is how you spot a fake. As you can tell, the real one is very purple and this one is very blue. It does have that nice holographic on it though. Yeah, it's almost very close to, I don't know about the real Moonchild. It's probably the Moonchild color, but it's very close to the fake Moonchild, just not, the other one's not so hollow. So in the back, mine has something on it. Got some orange stuff, but whatever, right? That doesn't really affect it. You can tell the text is completely different. The font on this one is much bigger, and the information is pretty much completely different. Plus this one doesn't have all the same information that this one has. But the back is definitely a dead giveaway. This one has the ingredients by color in each section, like spaced out. This is all run together on the real one. So that's a dead giveaway there. And the Glowkit logo, the ABH logo, is much bigger on the fake than it is on the real. Here is the inside of the palette, still super hollow, so I don't know if they're picking up that well on camera, but once again this one's more blue and the real one's more purple. Here is where the biggest differences come in, is once you open them. If you know what you're looking for, you'll know right away that it's not real. So the top looks very similar, minus the color, but it is the color of the highlighters themselves that is the big giveaway here. And these don't have as much shine to them. And I literally have only swatched this, and this one's getting hard pan. So mine too, I had to repress these, but as you can see, Spectra is not even close. This is a brown shade, and this is a purple iridescent shade. Luna is completely different. This one's more yellow green than the real one. Helia completely different as well. This is more of a just a straight green. Orion, it's a nice blue, but it's nowhere near the same, and Lyra is completely different. So the only one that's very similar is Eclipse, but it still just does not have that iridescent that you can see over here that's basically on fire. This palette doesn't have this. This is more like an eyeshadow formula than it is a highlighter formula, and I mean, I thought it was pretty, but there's no comparison at all. And yeah, I would say get you the real one because it is gorgeous, and right now they have them popping up at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so check that out for $24.99. If not, you can always find them in D-stashes, but I definitely love this palette. The real one is super gorgeous, and the fake is getting D-stashed after this. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more comparisons in the future, let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.
And I'm calling you to help me set me